Dear friends, in this video I will explain to you how to activate and use a quick response to your Xiaomi RedMi Note 8 phone. Open the screen and touch the phone button. On the left side of the service provider's name, you will find three stripes. Touch them. Go to menu options and go to settings. In the settings, you go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, go to quick responses. And here you switch on the quick responses. There are 4 responses available readily. Can't talk now, call me later. I will call you right back. I will call you later. Can't talk now, WhatsApp. These are the 4 responses available. So now when you get a call, I'll tell you how to do it, how to handle it. I am getting a call now, so see how I handle it. It says reply with message. So touch that, you get your choices. So I said I will call you back later. So the message has been sent to the caller. This is how you answer a call with quick responses. If you like this video, click like and then share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.